No. Que todo bajo control. Tú no te preocupes.
No, tío.
Mira.
Welcome back, guys, to another exciting video. This is TCT at the headquarters at its finest right now. We're waiting on our president to open the door right now as we speak, actually.
So fucking annoying.
I'm gay.
That's like you first learning how to play trumpet. We all know how it sounds. Exhausting.
Oh,
worst fucking place to come, nigga.
Where?
Over there.
Why did it fuck it up or what?
Yeah, nigga. They called me telling me that it was gonna make a rattling sound in my bumper, and they tried charging me $150. Like, what the fuck? Like, bitch. Like, if you did it, like, fucking fix it. Duh. So they tried charging me $150, and I was like, oh, shit.
Oh, someone got hit. Nigga, if I came here shotgun, I'm getting shotgun. Dumbass.
Shit! Tell him!
Right? Right?
No, fuck you!
We're just chilling right now. Poster outside of Rowena Chest. My mom works here, and I fucking went here like first through 5th grade. Kindergarten through 5th grade. I went to this fucking school. Straight up. Hands down. Shit was fucking whack. I have some words to say.
I used to be the talk of the town back in 8th grade or 6th and 7th grade.
Nani? お前はもう死んでいる。
The only reason they bring him up is because of that's why he's relevant.
What the fuck, nigga? Why does she have to do with this?
Because he's on. Rock out with their cocks out, am I right?
DAB. Drugs are bad.
If someone offered you $10 million to take it up the ass, would you take it up the ass? But you would only be the only one that would know that you took it up the ass.
Yeah, boy!
How much?
$10 million.
$500,000, yeah.
No, like, oh, nigga, you gay!
What's your dream car?
Dude, would you take it up the ass? Yes or no?
I need another, like the sums of each of your guys' cars to know if I'd have enough to purchase each of us our dream car. Yes. If I didn't have enough to purchase it with those 10 mil, then I wouldn't.
Stop looks like a nigga would take it up the ass for free, dude. Just look at him.
Look at you, bitch. You're built for dicks, nigga.
Walk home, nigga.
You walk home, nigga.
I will. Later.
You'll probably be out of breath by the time you get home.
The lessons I burn. Take that burn to watch it burn. He ain't gonna feel the lessons I burn.
Tomorrow.
This is how Washington looks. It was literally just it was literally 60 degrees a week ago? And
That ass felt like summer a week ago.
yeah. Dude, Fidels. That's fucking cold, bro. I ain't even trying to be off. What are we doing, bro?
Turning on this piece of shit.
You got vans.
I'm still hella cold. Thanks, sir. Hey, you put the wrong wires on the roof.
Oh, hit the roads, go. It's fucking cold up in this bitch. It's cold. Look at this. Why'd you do that? Turn it off.
The
new project? The extended cab?
Dude, I like this, bro. I like this.
My Honda's over there. Got me here like nothing. First gear, all the way.
Alright, so are we gonna go on this one? Well, I need to pump gas. My wallet is at Voltas. Oh, you can check and then just fucking.
I'll let you know. Well, I don't even know if we're gonna be able to go then, because I'm not taking my Honda.
Shit, man. Sácate las chichis.
Ow, ow, ow.
Go, go, go.
Roof shopping cart. Shopping cat. Roof shopping cat.
Does that hurt?
He's gonna hit the curb.
First one. Oh. We're good.
Don't stop it now, don't stop it, no, don't stop it now, don't stop it, keep it coming up, keep it coming up.
Fidels, first time ever being in snow.
No, don't stop it now, don't stop it, don't let you well try. Don't
These fish are complaining, it's hella warm. It's like 90 degrees right now, ready for a carnita asada.
give me no reasons why. Don't stop it now. Don't stop it, no, don't stop it now, don't stop it, keep it coming up, keep it coming up. Don't stop.
Bro, it's so adorable.
Oh,
El Fidels.
Joe's like, la comida ya llegó.
La comida que nos vamos a chingar al rato. Estos pinches taquitos de birria.
Now don't stop it, no, don't stop it, now don't stop it, don't let.
Let's go.
That tire is doing the stanky leg.
It's just like literally holding on with just one tire.
So we were just chilling here with the homie Fidel, and this happened. This was this fool it slid and hit it, but like nothing happened. But
Mijo, ¿te acuerdas de lo que te dije en la mañana? No puedo. Está todo bajo control. Tú no te preocupes. Está todo bien.
tío.
Mira, mijo.
No, tío.
Shh, tú cállate, güey. Calmado. Tú relájate, güey. Es un masaje, es un masaje.
Coming up,